Now we are moving ahead, which is the second option, second technique, which is LPT. LPT means liquid penetration penetrate. Okay, testing. Okay, or you can say technique. So LPT, also known as the dye penetrate inspections, DPI or PT, means the penetrant testings. Okay, is a non-destructive testing, which is very obvious because we are just studying under the category of NDA all the techniques here. Okay, they are used to detect the surface breaking defects such as the cracks, porosity, laps, seams, and other continuities in non-porous materials. What are the key features of the LPT? Used for the metal, plastic, ceramics, and other non-porous materials. Works on both ferrous and non-ferrous materials. Okay, ideal for the detecting the fine cracks and surface flaws. We talk about what are the principle of liquid penetrant testings. Then this is here the capillary actions. The liquid penetrate seeps into surface breaking defects due to the capillary action. You know what is the capillary action? I hope that you know. I mean, it's a very basic physics. Okay. So after we remove it, if anybody has option, then we can clear that. After removing the excess penetrant, a developer draws out the trapped penetrant, making them making the defect visible under the normal or UV light. You know what is the UV light? Ultraviolet light. I mean, we know we have the sun and having different spectrums under which we have the visible light and otherwise UV light. There are total 7 categories. Okay, so types of the penetrants in LPTs. What are the different types? First one is a visible dye penetrant. Descriptions are red dye visible under the white light. Reward application, general surface infections. We talk about the fluorescent penetrant. What are the descriptions? The flows under the UV, black light, high sensitivity and inspections. These are the applications. Third one is the water washable penetrant, easily removed with the waters or application, fast general applications. The post-emulsifiable penetrant. This requires an emulsifier to remove the excess penetrant. What are the applications? The high sensitivity applications. Solvent removable penetrants remove the using the solvent wipes and field application. These are just the examples. You can just skip that part because you can just write the different types of the penetrants in LBT and you can just write these all. Okay, that would be sufficient for you. But we must for my hand we I have to make these details. That's why I have mentioned here. Okay, you can just skip that part. You just have to need to know that what are the different penetrants in LPTs. These are the penetrance types. Okay,